Now let's proceed to Chapter 9, JavaScript Functions, Loops, and Error Trappings. So what is JavaScript Functions, JavaScript Loops, and JavaScript Error Trapping? These three are our objectives. A function is a set of statements or blocks of codes combined for a particular use. It is usually used so that you will not have to retype your codes again when you need them. You can simply call it to execute it. You may call a function anywhere within the page or even from an external JavaScript file. Functions can be defined anywhere in the head section or body section. However, it is ideal to put the function in the head section so that you are assured that it is loaded properly. So, syntax of a function. Function followed by the function name, open parentheses, var1, var2, var3 up to varn, then open curly bracket, place your code here, and close curly bracket. So function name is the name of the function. Variable 1, 2, up to n are parameters. These are values that are passed on to the function whenever it is triggered. Take note that the open and close braces are required in functions. A function without a parameter should include the open and close parentheses after the name of the function, and remember the function must be in lowercase, otherwise a JavaScript error will be called. What is a loop? There are times when you want a block of code repeated until a certain condition is satisfied. This can be done by creating a loop. A loop is a repetitive cycle of a block of code until the condition is met. In JavaScript, there are a variety of loops. We have for loop. It loops through a block of code within a specified number of times. While loop, it loops through a block of code until the condition is satisfied. Do while loop, it is like while loop, however, it will execute the set of codes at least once. For in loop, it loops through the elements of an array. So syntax of a for loop: for, open parentheses, var equals start value, semicolon, var less than equal end value, semicolon, var equals var plus increment, open curly bracket, place your code, and then close curly bracket. If, for instance, you want to exit from the loop after a condition has been met, you can use the break statement. This statement will immediately break the loop and continue to execute the execution of codes after the same loop. The continue statement will break the current loop and will continue to the next value. Syntax of a while loop: while, open parenthesis, condition, close parenthesis, open curly bracket, then place your code here, close curly bracket. The syntax of a do while loop: do, open curly bracket, place your code here, then close curly bracket, while, open parenthesis, condition, close parenthesis. So JavaScript error trapping. Why do you need to detect errors? Errors are flaws that are developed on the course of the program development or deployment. Errors need to be handled properly so that the program will not crash. That is, prepare the program so it will know what to do when it faces a certain error. Causes of errors: there are times when an error occurs during the development of the program. It could be a logical, a runtime, or a syntax error. So syntax of a try catch. So try, open parentheses, put your main code here, close curly bracket, then catch, open parentheses, error, close parentheses, then open curly bracket, put your solutions here if an error occurs, then close curly bracket. The try block will test a block of codes for errors. When an error occurs, the catch block will be executed. The third statement can be used to make error trapping more accurate and precise.
For more ICCT College's video updates, Please subscribe and click the notification button.